Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 71 Park Avenue in Rochester.
This is an amazing architect-designed commercial building with expansive parking.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Greet clients and customers with this grand two-story foyer, leading to multiple levels for all your business needs. The upper unit features great additional commercial square footage with 2 tenants for great rental income. Each upstairs unit features 6 beautifully updated rooms and a bathroom.
The lower level unit features a beautiful reception room, 5 individual rooms, and a kitchen, bath, and this amazing office with a courtyard view.
This extremely rare property features over 25 spaces for all your clients and customers to park.
Rob, this is one of Rochester's hotspots.
This is the trendy and fun East Avenue area with great restaurants, shops, and nightlife. There's always something fun to do. Could you imagine doing business here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 71 Park Avenue in Rochester.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home, waterfront, and commercial specialist worldwide.
Cheers to doing business here!